So this is the second loop which was created. I'm making it tight. Now again I'm making a smaller loop. So the other side, see, over, under, out. See, now this is smaller. The other side. At this point you have to make it tight. As I told you, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cords have to be pulled. This can be continued till whatever length you want. Now if you want, you can shift these loops. So once you have made them tight, check all of them. You have to just shift them on the top like this. So this is also a way where you can make picot. Some of my students call this knot as butterfly knot because it looks like a butterfly. See, it's your wish. If you want, you can make the loop like this, or you can shift it. You can have some square knots, then again you can have a loop, then again some square knots, then again a loop. It's your design, your creativity. Something like this is picot. Let's do the last one, which is known as basket. In the basket one, we have to put 4 cords of at least 21 inches, but all of them are single. Here, see, individually I have mounted them, the first, the second, the third, fourth. In this case we were taking 2 together and mounting, 2 together and mounting, but now because it's 4, it won't come nicely, so we have to take 4 separately. This is a very simple, very easy knot. I'm just fixing it first. This is how the division is, first and last, and we have some cords in the center. The first one goes under the bunch of these knots, of these cords. Through the loop it comes out like this. So it's just a circle thing, it's not even a knot actually. We go till the top and we fix it. Same way the other side. So this one goes underneath and comes out like this, just from the loop. The tighter the better. This way you can find out which side you have to do because the colors are different. Let's make 2 more so you'll understand how it looks. We are almost done. Let's remove the pins. See the effect. That's basket. So you see these roundings on the side. That's the difference. If you check out the square knot, it looks like this. This one is spiral, which is turning, and this one is the picot, which is very simple to identify, the looped one. So the square, the spiral, the picot, and the basket. These are your 4 assignments, and the first one was only simple. How do you mount it? That was the first one. So you have to make these 4 and the first. You have to take pictures and you have to send it to us, Sangeet ma'am and me. Okay? Square, spiral, picot, basket. Material is your wish, whichever you want.